Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal training and coaching program, and we ask Almighty Allah to bless our efforts. This is the 9th video in our new series, Halal Done With You. If you are new to the series or you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel right now and go to the description of this video to watch the past videos. So like, subscribe, comment and share this video to your loved ones on WhatsApp group and Facebook groups. So we are still on code emailing, and today we are going to be taking the handling conversation, the forms of reply. So if somebody reply with not interested, you just move on. You don't even have to reply the person. If the person replies with I'm interested or something that actually means that the person is interested, so you reply with this. If there is reply all, you can click on reply all. If there's no reply all, you just click on reply and you send this kind of message to the person. Hi Josh, thanks for your interest in our offer. Here is a few things I need from you. Number 1, time and date of the call or meeting. Number 2, your best email. Number 3, what is the fastest way to reach you? So you send this kind of message to the person. So if someone replies with what's your pricing and what do you promise, so you also click on reply all if it is available. If it is not there, just click on reply. You say, well, the pricing actually depends on the number of customers you can handle in a month and the package you choose. I'll be happy to show you how we work. What day and time will you be available for a 15-minute call this week? So you send this kind of message to the person. Some people might reply by saying, I need to know the pricing now, or I need more info here. If I'm interested, we can hop on a call. So if someone replies with this kind of message, then you can reply all if it is available, or click on reply and send this kind of message to the person. You basically have two packages, retainer and commission based. Note that irrespective of the package you choose, we provide exclusive high quality lists that are newly generated specifically for you using your logo, colors and website. For the retainer package, we charge between $1,000 and $5,000 monthly to generate unlimited number of leads for you. We will cover the setup fee, but you will pay for the ad cost. The ad cost for a lead is usually $30 or less. For the commission based package, you will pay the setup fee, $300, and we will sell the leads to you for $70 per lead, irrespective of the ad cost. We offer a 100% guaranteed return on investment (ROI). In the rare event that we fail to deliver results, we will provide a full refund. However, it is worth mentioning that we have never had to issue a refund due to our consistent track record of achieving positive outcomes. Can we hop on the call next week? So you can send this to the person. So it is important that if you are not sure of what to reply, then you should speak with your group members. And if you are not in any group right now, there's going to be a link in the description. So click on the link and apply to be in a group. We are going to combine 10 people together and give them the task to do, how they are going to work together for one common goal. So there's something I'm going to teach you right now, which has to do with Gmail profile image. And it is very important. If you go to your Gmail, click on this icon. You can see that this one is S because my name here is Sadu Prime. It's the name I used to register this particular email. So it started with S, that's why you see S here. But I want you to change it to a professional photo, image or a logo. So you click on this icon here. So it's going to bring this, add a profile picture. So if you click on from computer, you can drag something here or click upload from computer. Then you choose any photo you like from your computer. If I choose this, you can see it. Next, save. So immediately you can see it has changed. So you have to put your image, your photo, and that's the best here, so that whenever you are sending email to someone, it's going to load and the person is going to see that, okay, this is a real person sending me a message. This is very important. So thank you. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment on this video and share the video to your loved ones. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.